What if I told you that your phone, your car, and even your favorite social media app all have something in common? They can see, not with eyes, but with something far more powerful. We're talking about computer vision, and it's changing our world in ways you might not even realize. Ready to have your mind blown? Then smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Because we're about to pull back the curtain on one of the most exciting fields in technology. So, what exactly is computer vision? At its core, it's a field of artificial intelligence that trains computers to interpret and understand the visual world. When you look at a picture of a cat, your brain instantly recognizes it. You know it's a cat. You can identify its color, its breed, maybe even guess if it's happy or sleepy. Computer vision aims to give machines that same ability. It uses digital images from cameras and videos, and through complex algorithms, it can identify, classify, and react to what it sees. It's like teaching a computer to see and think about what it's seeing. But how does it work? It's not magic. It's a lot of data and some very clever math. The process usually starts with something called pattern recognition. Imagine you're teaching a child what a dog is. You'd show them pictures of different dogs: big dogs, small dogs, fluffy dogs, short-haired dogs. Over time, the child learns the common features for legs, a tail, floppy ears, a snout, and can identify a dog they've never seen before. Computer vision models do the same thing, but on a massive scale. Scientists feed them millions of labeled images. This is called machine learning, specifically a subset known as deep learning. These models, called neural networks, are inspired by the human brain. They have layers of neurons that process information. When you show it a new image of a car, the first layer might detect simple edges and colors. The next layer might combine those edges to form shapes, like wheels and windows. Subsequent layers combine these shapes to recognize the entire object as a car. The more data it's trained on, the more accurate it becomes. It learns to distinguish a car from a truck, a bus, or a bicycle, just by analyzing the pixels in an image. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's cool, but where do I actually see this stuff? The answer is everywhere. Let's start with your smartphone, that feature that automatically groups photos of your friends by their faces. That's computer vision. When you use a fun filter on Instagram or TikTok that puts sunglasses on your face, computer vision is tracking your facial features in real time to place the filter perfectly. Even the QR codes you scan to see a restaurant menu rely on computer vision to read the pattern and direct you to the website. It's also revolutionizing transportation. Self-driving cars are perhaps the most famous example. They use a suite of cameras and sensors to build a 360-degree view of the world around them. Computer vision algorithms analyze this data stream constantly to identify other vehicles, pedestrians, traffic lights, and lane markings. This allows the car to make decisions like when to brake, accelerate, or change lanes, all without human intervention. It's an incredibly complex task that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In healthcare, computer vision is becoming a doctor's superpower. It can analyze medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to detect signs of diseases, sometimes even more accurately and faster than a human radiologist. By training models on thousands of medical images, they can learn to spot subtle patterns that might indicate a tumor or another abnormality, leading to earlier diagnosis and better patient outcomes. And it doesn't stop there. In agriculture, drones equipped with cameras use computer vision to monitor crop health, identifying areas that need more water or are affected by pests. In retail, it powers cashier-less stores where you can just grab what you need and walk out, with cameras automatically tracking your items and charging your account. In manufacturing, it's used for quality control, spotting defects on an assembly line far faster than the human eye can. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of computer vision also brings up important conversations about privacy and ethics. The use of facial recognition in public spaces, for example, raises questions about surveillance and personal data. It's crucial that as this technology develops, we create strong guidelines and regulations to ensure it's used ethically and for the benefit of society. We need to be mindful of potential biases in the data used to train these models to ensure they are fair and equitable for everyone. So, computer vision is more than just a futuristic concept from a sci-fi movie. It's a powerful present-day technology that's already woven into the fabric of our lives. It's teaching machines to understand our world in a visual way, unlocking possibilities we could only dream of a few decades ago. From unlocking your phone with your face to helping doctors save lives, computer vision is the silent engine driving a massive wave of innovation. What do you think is the most exciting application of computer vision? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this deep dive and want to learn more about the amazing world of tech, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.